What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. Today you got me, Solomon, here, and I'm actually just heading into the shop. I'm going to be driving the Unibody for a while, so just figured I'd let everybody check her out again. So this thing is a 1962 Ford F100 Unibody long bed. It's got a 292 Y block and a 4-speed on the floor. Got the truck from Kyle Delfell over in Washington, and this truck is actually just a donor truck for me for another build, my B100. But Gold Dust is down for a while, so at least I got something reliable and still an old Ford truck to drive around every day. And I'm gonna head into the shop. Just figured to give you guys a little intro before I get there. It's like you can barely even tell this thing's running. Alright, we'll see you guys at the shop. Just made it over to the shop, and it's Unibody Central. So we got this 62. Here's Simi's 61 that we did a E350 swap. It's got a 7.3. Here's Black Sheep, Simi's big window short bed. This one's a full Crown Vic swap. This one is also a 61. It's sitting on a 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis, but same thing as a Crown Vic. It's got the TMI with the Dakota. And then over here, we've got what I was calling True Blue. I actually sold this truck a little while ago to a buddy of mine, Brad. I actually have to finish this up, but this is also a full Crown Vic swap, floor, firewall. And then over here, we got the B100, the holy grail of Unibodies. And this is actually the one that the red truck is going to be getting swapped with. As you could see, there might be a little bit of Bondo, actually a lot of Bondo. But yeah, that's never good. Yeah, and rust. So I'm gonna take all the sheet metal that bolts on, and then the chassis. And then Simi is working on one of my buddy's Unibodies. This actually used to be mine. I sold it, then I bought it back, and then I sold it to my buddy who we're fixing it. We just did a motor swap. So that's this one over here. I guess we call it Big Bird. It's freaking bright yellow. And we just swapped in a 351, and she's running nicely. So that's it for right now. I'm actually going to be swapping out the headlights on the Unibody. I've got a set of OE7s from Dapper Lighting, which are direct replacements for these bad boys, but give me a lot more light. And Simi is probably going to ask me a bunch of questions about what happened to Gold Dust.
Yeah, we'll start with the first question. Is you say you're upgrading lights on that truck? What about me, bro?
What about you?
Bro, I'm sitting here in the dark over here.
What are you talking about? Look at these Harley, actual factory Harley headlights. What do you mean? Anyway.
Get what you pay for.
Get what you pay for?
I didn't pay for those either.
Yeah. So I'm gonna probably do that in a few minutes. I'll show you guys the lights before and after and how I installed it. And then Hutch should be coming by. He's getting new wheels for this, and he wants to come buy a bunch of stuff that I've got. So should be kind of fun. We'll see you then. Okay, I pulled these bad boys out. Just give you guys a little look at what it actually is. So this is a 7-inch headlight. It's got LED in it, and you could see that it's glass, and it's got the lines on the top and on the bottom, but the middle is clear. That way the light could see through. On the back, it's got a fan. These wires right here are just for the turn signal, which you could see inside. And then it has their plug, which literally just plugs right into the factory light that I'm going to be pulling off. And should be as easy as 1, 2, 3 screws. Take that off, take this little ring, pull it out, plug it in, and that's it. So I'm gonna go get the tools that I need, swap that out, and show you how it's done. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is take off these 3 Phillips screws right over here. And then now we have this trim ring, which is very easy. What I'm gonna do is I need a flathead and loosen these 3 little flathead screws. We turn this. So Simi is gonna grab me a flathead real fast, and then I'm gonna pop those off. Alright, so now we got the headlight out, and this, I don't know what it's called, like what kind of socket, but basically that socket is the exact same that is right here. So all I gotta do is plug it right in, like so. And then I'm sure this has a top. Yep, this is the top. So shove that stuff back in there and grab the headlight ring again. Oh yeah, super nice. All right, so now we did that. I put back on the trim ring. Now all I gotta do is put this back on. Super simple. All right, and it's literally that simple to install these. I'm going to turn it on, lower back down this door over here so I can show you guys the difference just from side to side, because I still have original on one side and now these new Dapper OE7s on the other. All right, look at that difference. So, I mean, it's literally black and white. Just plain as day, how much better these are. Super simple install. Head over to dapperlighting.com. You guys get yourself one. And I'm gonna do the other side now. Now I got some lights. Okay, so just got the second one on, and I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful. Simi, hit it. Woo, baby. Now that is a nice amount of light. Let me close this door for a second so we can see. So, just like before, dapperlighting.com. Check them out, get you guys some headlights. And these are the same headlights I have on Gold Dust, except the ones I have on Gold Dust have a LED round ring around it. And now I'm gonna wait on Hutch, and we'll see when he gets here. So I told you guys Hutch was gonna stop by the shop. He's been already over here for like a half hour, busting my chops.
It's been like 30 seconds.
It feels like I
have to find it.
No cursing. I'm gonna have to bleep them all. Stop.
Bleep, bleep, bleep.
Perfect. First he's like, hey, I need a better bead roller.
Dude, this one's way better than mine.
Not for sale.
Damn it, how much?
Not,
30 bucks.
I told you $3 grand is what I paid.
Yeah.
You buy it.
I'll trade you some stuff.
He sees I have an anvil and whatever that's called.
A vice. This is a bad, can I say ass?
Yeah, you would say.
Bad bleeping vice. You know, worm drive, all that. It's good stuff, man. I'll give you 30 bucks.
So, the reason why I called him over is 2 reasons. One, he had wheels I need for the Unibody. 2, he already bought that camper top that the Unibody was on. He needed to pick that up and drop those off. But also, because of Gold Dust's motor, which you guys saw yesterday, the update, it's pretty much done. I have to build a new motor. Fire sale on everything I own.
That's it, man.
And that includes all of you guys. So if you've ever seen something here that you think you might want, send me an email to this email address. And also, I'm gonna be making a video tomorrow showing all the things that I'm definitely selling. So like my tailgates, any Ford parts, any Mercury parts. I've got a bunch of really rare Mercury parts. So with that said, Hutch is getting first pick because I don't know why.
Yeah, you guys might not have anything. You might not have anything left because I'm pretty much just gonna buy that.
He definitely won't because he's always cheap and I'm not that cheap. But I'll let you guys know what else happened. I just figured I'd let you know he's here.
This is the first to go. It's loaded up.
I doubt it. I'll let you borrow it.
All right, just let me borrow it for a really long time, and I'll just never give it back.
I mean, I don't know about that, but you could definitely borrow it for a little bit till you could buy your own. One of the reasons why Hutch came was because I needed some wheels for the Unibody, and he brought me some. Let me shine a light. Hold on. So he brought me some 15s off another truck that he has, and these are one-piece wheels instead of these wheels that I have on the Unibody that are technically 2-piece. So those are a lot safer, and they got better tires. Got the trusty Milwaukee. Gonna pop these off real fast. There's a reason why BJ Boldman had me changing tires.
He hasn't lost the lug nut yet.
Bro, we We had to have that stuff on and off in under 30 seconds. Wow. That is how we do it. New wheels and tires. Still need to get new tires, but those are much better than before. So we will see you in another second.
2-for-1 deal.
Okay, so switched out the wheels.
2-for-1, hell
Let's got his old ones, and then now he's gonna take the camper. So figured I'd just put you guys down so you can see. What's going on?
Oh man, you dented this too, man.
Oh, bro, I thought you weren't gonna curse. I had to bleep that.
Well, bleep it then.
Dude, that's kind of funny.
That's where you shower?
It'll look good on your truck, though.
Yeah, hell yeah. Hey guys, Saul here. I just want to give Harvey Hutch from Hutch's Welding a huge shout out. This guy is so super freaking amazing. He comes out here, he cleans up my mess, takes this camper junk that I don't want, takes it out of here.
And pays me.
You know, I don't know what that he was talking about with that, but you know, he always takes care of me. So be sure to check him out, hutcheswelding.com. Follow him on Instagram, and check out his website and YouTube and all that good stuff. And until next time, thank you, brother.
Okay, so just loaded Hutch up. He got 2 tailgates that he's gonna try to sell, and this he has to make some magic with, plus the topper.
Never come home empty-handed.
We'll see you next time, bro.
All right, brother, take care.
And that's gonna conclude this video. So as always, if you guys enjoy the content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down below. If you want any of the tailgates or anything you really see in the shop, email me right over here, sl@fordera.com. If you enjoy buying some cool merch, I've got shirts, hats, keychains, stickers, all types of stuff. Go to fordera.com. We'll see you in the next one. Later.